everyone, so to get started with this class, we're going to need to install our software. So the first thing you're going to need to do is get onto your Internet Explorer or Safari, whatever your browser is, and go to adobe.com. You'll get a page that looks something like this. So, I think I'm actually logged in here. Hold on. Alright, so if you do not have an Adobe account, you'll open up to this page, go ahead and click Sign In. And then you'll need to create an account here. So if you happen to be close to campus, you can use the computers in the Innovation Lab at Hale Library and log in with your EID at k-state.edu. It's very important to do this and not ksu.edu for reasons. But it will log you in and you can use the software that they have. If you're using your own computer, you'll need to create a student account. Once you've done that, and make sure that you go ahead and get the student rate, so it should be no more than like $19 or $20 a month, you'll want to install the Creative Cloud. So click on this little icon over here and then click Install Creative Cloud to your desktop. Make sure you put that on your desktop and not on your cloud, and just follow the installation prompts as they come up. If you begin to have issues with that, just check your computer to make sure you don't have the Creative Cloud, an older version of the Creative Cloud already on your computer. If you do, fully uninstall it and then start again. Once you have that in, you'll want to go over to your apps and then you'll install Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Audition, Media Encoder, and Adobe Animate. So once you have those all on your computer, this might take a while. You might want to just get these all started and then go get coffee. Then you'll want to open up each and every one of these on their own. So let's open up Adobe Animate first. This is definitely the most important app to have on your computer. I could see you kind of working around the other ones, but if you don't have Adobe Animate, you will struggle with this class. So once you have this open, go ahead, if you're on a Mac, hit Shift-Command-4, and you'll get this little target here. You can just click and drag to take a screenshot. If you're on a PC, you can go and search for Snipping Tool and do the exact same thing, just capture your screenshot. Let's open up Photoshop. Also, while you're messing around with your computer and installing things, you'll want to take a look and see if there are any apps on your computer that you're not using anymore, and just free up all that extra space, because extra space means that you will load all of your programs faster. So okay, I've got this open. I'm going to go ahead and do Shift-Command-4 again and just take another little screenshot of this. Open up Premiere. I'm sorry for that clicking in the background, it's the heater. Alright, Shift-Command-4. Another little screenshot. Media Encoder. Going to check to make sure I have all the software I need. So Media Encoder, and Audition, Premiere Pro, Animate, Photoshop. Stop Motion Studio is free, and you'll probably want to either put that on your phone or your iPad, whichever one you want to take photos with for Project 2. You don't have to have that installed right now. So that can come up later in Project 2. Okay. Let me go ahead and take a screenshot of Media Encoder. Oops, sorry. Shift Command 4. All right, and then Audition. All right, Shift Command 4. Okay, so now that I have all of my screenshots, I'm going to want to collect all of them into one folder and put that in my class folder that you made in the previous assignment. So here I have my install software with all of my 5 screenshots: Animate, Premiere Pro, Audition, Media Encoder, and Photoshop. And Stop Motion Studio is going to just be on your phone, and Procreate is just on your iPad, so you don't need to worry about that right now. So now let's go ahead and open up Animate.